Good morning from Montague. Today's my last day. I'm all packed up, headed back to Rockport. Made a lot of progress. So the asbestos abatement guy comes this week and he'll remove all these asbestos tiles. I found more in the den. Oh my God, it looks so bad. I took down some old sheetrock that was all warped. So that'll get replaced. So underneath all this asbestos is white pine. Ditto in the hallway, more asbestos. So I pulled up all the carpet, and then underneath the asbestos tile is an underlayment, which will have to come up too. But underneath all those layers is the original white pine. So this was the room I was sleeping in, just so you can see. And then I'll show you what I did upstairs. So all of the carpet's up. I know it looks like crap now, but what will happen is all of these treads will be sanded and then the risers will get painted. And then all of these rooms up here will be white pine. See all the things, all the floors? All this will be sanded and stained. This is my staging room. Again, that's going to be the master, the entry to the master. And then the last bedroom. So that is my progress so far. Today, I'm going to walk back downstairs. I'm going to do two things. It's really hot, so I'm going to start outside, and then I'm going to move into the inside. And this room's actually really cool. So all these walls are just cheesy 70s paneling. And then this is the old fireplace, but there's a piece of sheetrock behind it, like an old type of sheetrock. And then it looks like what they did was they actually took the mantle off and then put it back on. So what I'm going to do is take the mantle off. It's just one piece of wood. And then I'm going to rip off these pieces of luan. You can see the seam here. And then I'm going to see what's behind all that. But right now, I'm going to start outside. I didn't even show you the outside because it's such a nightmare. But anyway, I'm almost done with all I can do on the inside. And I'll have to let the contractors do the rest. Okay. Oh my God, it's so hot. Oops. So my yard is a disaster. Just completely overgrown. Here's my Volvo. That's my little mini swap shop I created. And then here's my dumpster. Okay, here we go. Sorry. So this is all the stuff I pulled out so far. 2 days worth of work. This huge disaster is my backyard. Oh my God, look at all this. So I contracted a tree person to come in, and they are going to get rid of all this overgrowth and then trim back some of the trees, and then all of this junk is forsythia, and all of that's going to be ripped out, gone. So I'll be lawn. And then what I'm about, and that's where the above ground pool was. Oh my God. So what I'm going to do is see this old rotted stockade fence. All the neighbors hate it. I'm about to kick it all down right now with my bare hands. So wish me luck, and I'll let you know how I did. Bye.